So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rotate text here in Design Wizard. So once you have Design Wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is obviously add some text into your design. So go to the left-hand side of your screen. So from right here, the text icon is actually highlighted. So go ahead and press on text icon. I'm just going to press and add a heading for simplicity's sake and for demonstration purposes. I will then grab the text, drag it sort of towards the middle, and I'll make it a little bit larger this way. Now, if you want to rotate the text, it's actually pretty straightforward. And what I want you to do is press on the text you're hoping to rotate. Get this different screen to open up. Then at the top here, there's sort of this little circle with a line below it. I want you to touch this circle right here, and I actually want you to hold it. And then if you hold it and you start dragging it to one side or dragging it to the other side, you actually rotate the text. So if you want to rotate it that way, you can make it a little bit smaller. You can move it around, and voila, there you go. Pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can rotate text in any direction here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.